What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a viewer question. Now, I'm sure you guys are wondering what's going on with the gas tank. I still haven't received the fuel filler neck. Once I get that, the truck should be complete. Now, let us jump into this viewer question. Hello, King Customz. I'm having a hard time finding a solution to this problem. This comes from Clifford Andrews. What's up, Clifford? He tells me that I have a lot of content on the 04 Avalanche. Yes, I do. His AC stopped working, and he replaced the fan, speed control, inner switch, and all the fuses. Replaced the dash controller, still didn't work. I noticed that the cruise control, brake light, and check engine lights are all on, and the cruise control will not work. I've had the problem for 6 years, and had the truck for 6 years, never had this problem. Sometimes when I start the truck, everything works, and then it all shuts down and will not work. Or when I'm driving, it will just turn on the above dash lights off, and then the AC works again. This has been going on for 5 weeks now, and Texas heat is killing me. If anyone knows what's going on, please help. Okay, Clifford, so guys, I want you guys to jump in the comment section below, put your thoughts out there, put your ideas out there, what you think this could be. Help Clifford out the best that we can. Now, Clifford, I'm going to give you some advice here. You said you changed the fan. Are you talking about the clutch fan? If you're talking about the clutch fan, usually the clutch fan does give that problem, because there was a point in time when my AC stopped working and the clutch fan was the issue. You can also be looking at, what else did you say you changed? You said you changed a whole bunch of other stuff. What I would do is, maybe the clutch fan's defective. You can try that. Also, check your battery. Sometimes the battery, when there's not enough charge or enough voltage going through, it can cause a lot of issues with electrical stuff, so that can be some problem there. Check to see that you have enough freon in the system. If there's not enough freon, sometimes things can cause issues. If there's too much freon, it can cause a lot of issues to the car as well. I've seen instances where there's a lot of freon in a vehicle, causes the vehicle to overheat. Not only does it overheat, sometimes the temperature of the AC will blow really cold, and sometimes it goes back warm. Sometimes it just doesn't work at all. And I know it's really weird to say that, but there are instances where I've came across that from having a system that's overcharged. So if you overcharge that system, definitely double check to make sure that it's not overcharged. If you use one of those regular gauges, just take it to an AC shop that can help you diagnose this further. They have the evacuation machine that can take out all the freon and put in the right amount. Also, another thing, check your compressor, man. Sometimes the compressor can just be giving an issue. As for all the lights, whenever the lights come on, go to your nearest auto parts store, or if you have a scanner, scan the vehicle. Tell me what codes come up, if any codes at all. Check those things in those areas, because sometimes one thing may lead to this whole issue that's going on. So that's what I want you to do first. Go get the car scanned. Get it, if you can get it professionally scanned, and see what history of codes are popping up, and hand me those history of codes. We can work on something and help you out there, because maybe that one issue is shooting up an entire issue from that. And when you say your cruise control is not working, what I found out is if you put aftermarket LED lights in the rear, sometimes there's like some module that you have to get or something like that causes your cruise control to work, because apparently the cruise control is hooked up to the left brake light, I believe. That is what I think someone had told me. I'm not 100% sure. Again, guys, like I said, Raphael, J Brown, one of y'all comment in the comment section below. Anyone you all want to comment, just comment under this. It seems like you got a lot of issues, but the one thing that I want you to do is try to get that vehicle scanned, see what codes come up, and see if you can get me a history of that. And from that, we can go from there. So hopefully this video helped you in some way, shape, or form. I know I'm just ranting a lot, but that's just so much for me to try to figure out there. The only other thing I could tell you is really that fan clutch. That was a problem that I had. Where the AC would work intermittently and then cut off. So check that, or get the code scanned and let me know what's going on. I hope that helped. If it didn't, let me know in the comment section below, and we'll try to help you. Everyone in this community will jump in to help you. So I'll see you later, and thanks for tuning in. Peace.